Welcome to our Doctis platform. I would like to show you today how to make an examination request when you receive a paper request. So let's assume you are an imaging center, you're logged in, you've got your list of patients, and you've created the patient, and that patient arrives with a prescription for an examination coming from a referring doctor. So you selected the patient, you go here in the Action tab, and now what you have to do is to create a request for a medical examination. Here, in fact, you need to put in electronic form what you received as a paper, as a prescription, traditionally. So the first thing you need to do is to select the referring doctor sending you the patient. Here you have a first list of all the referring doctor, which are Doctis users that have your medical center in their collaborative group. If it's not here, you can always type the name of the doctor and eventually his email. If he's a Doctis user, then it will be added into the first list. Let's assume it's this general practitioner that sent you the patient. Just select him. The next step is to recipient of the request. It's you are a medical center. Document to be used. In a different video, I will show you how to change this. And then some clinical information. Let's assume it's pneumonia to be confirmed. Then you need to select the modality. Any kind of modality can be added here, and the same all type of exam. I will show you in a different video how to change all these tables for your center. And then it's done. Then you will just need to click here, confirm, and send the request. And now automatically it will, as a macro, go and accept the request and create a transfer toward a technician, another radiologist. So you can have all type of technician, different rooms. These are the person that will process the examination. And then just click transfer. And that's done. You received the request and you will have to do it. Thank you.